SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Let's talk about the sponsor of today's video. Alpha Graphics is a digital marketing firm specializing in social media marketing, graphic design, and website design. This company specializes in making your business look good, perform good, and looking at its optimal best. And today's world, referrals are extremely important. You need to know if a company is actually doing the work. Can they do what they say they will deliver? And with Alpha Graphics, they've got referrals everywhere, people. They've got from Cape Town up to Jozi, KZN, it doesn't matter. They can take your business and pinpoint your target market to anywhere that your heart desires. Look no further than Alpha Graphics. Go to their website, go to contact us, and go and fill in the form and click select. Someone will contact you immediately and get you on the right track for your business to grow to be a huge success. Alpha Graphics, your vision brought to life.